Lord, actually, the appellant, my lord, worked, my lord, on the post of work supervisor. And Lord, he was given the scale of work Sarkar. That is the anomaly for which, my lord, the appellant had filed his writ application.
Under work charge establishment, you need to show the rules whereby you get promotion.
My lord, the estate has
Show us
filed
the rules and we interfere with this order.
My lord, actually, estate has filed counter affidavit, my lord.
We are not concerned with counter affidavit. You tell us if there is any rule for promotion for an employee who is under a work charge establishment. We will set aside this order.
Actually, it is not a case of promotion, my lord. The writ petition I have seen that has been loosely drafted. It is a matter. It is a matter.
How can we restitute that in appeal?
Lord,
unless you make out a case that what the writ petitioner intended was not understood by the learned single judge and therefore this order.
No, but my lord, the scale prescribed for the post of work supervisor, my lord, that is the limited grievance, my lord.
That's not here. That's neither here nor there. Look here.
My lord, a writ petition, kindly see, my lord.
It doesn't matter, no?
Column 3.
The issue framed by the single judge was that you have not been paid revised salary on account of the fact that you have the salary has not yet been revised. Your prayer should have been different.
Column 3, I can take help from this, my lord, line. Any other relief for which the petitioner is entitled for. Lord, the petitioner is entitled for grant of a scale which has been prescribed for the post of work supervisor. That is the limited grievance, my lord. If this matter is remanded to the department, it will serve the purpose.
Like here, while deciding the writ application, heard Mr. Avdesh Mishra, learned advocate for the appellant, and Mr.
Sanjay Prasad, AC to AG4,
and Mr. Sanjay Prasad, learned counsel for the state. While
or this matter may be remanded before the single judge.
Deciding the grievance of the writ petitioner, it was found by the learned single judge that the writ petitioner was appointed in the pay scale of 85-110 in the work charge establishment, whereafter that scale was revised, re-revised, and finally the revised scale of the writ petitioner was 3200 to 4900. It was in the slab of 3200 to 4900. This had the sanction of the finance department. The aforesaid scale was in PB1 of work supervisor.
Lord, in the counter,
there is no dispute with respect to the aforesaid scale having been granted to the writ petitioner, for which he has been paid. There does not appear to be any anomaly in the order passed by the learned single judge. The appeal has no merits and is thus dismissed.
Lord, can it be, Lord?
Next, you know the way in which appeals are dealt with.
Some liberty may kindly be given so that
you had come to the single judge without taking any liberty. You can go for a different relief.
My lord, before the department he can raise the, my lord. Actually,
you do whatever, but we can't give you that direction.
My lord, what has happened?
Mr. Mishra, you know that in appeal we do indulge at times, but this is not a case where we will ask you to agitate.
That limitation I quite appreciate, my lord. But the counter which shows.